Welcome to the another part modeling tutorial. This is our exercise number 35. Scale is 1:2, sheet is A3, all dimensions are in mm. This tutorial I am going to design this part. This part title is cam clamping device. This is the front view and this is the sectional right view and this is the detail B. We'll move to the CATIA. Define sketch. Select this left side plane, means YZ plane. Position sketch. Okay. Now I am going to create this outer circle, diameter half 100 mm and length is 200. Select a circle command. Create a circle from origin point. This diameter is 100. Exit workbench. Define part body. Select sketch 1. Select pad command. Select mirror extent. Length is 100 mm. Limit 1 length is 100 mm. Limit 2 length 100 mm. Totally it is 200 mm. Okay. Now I am going to create this 70 mm hole. Define part body. Select all command. Select this face. Position sketch. Constrain this point. Right click, concentricity. Exit workbench. Hole diameter is 70. Change blind to up to last. Okay. Now I am going to create this 75 mm diameter hole having dimensions 38 mm from the left side and 87 length. Define sketch. Insert a new plane with the reference of YZ plane. Distance is 100 mm. Okay. Select plane 1. Position sketch. Okay. Select circle command and create circle. This diameter is 75 mm. Exit workbench. Define part body. Select sketch 4. Select pocket command. Select more. The first limit 38 plus 87 total length, and in the second limit minus 38. Preview and OK. This is the 75 mm stepped hole. Now I am going to create this feature. Define sketch. Select plane 1. Position sketch. OK. In the operation command bar, select 3D project element. Project this outer edge. Hide part body. Select rectangle. Create a rectangle. Select vertical lines. Right click, allow symmetry. Select vertical axis. This total vertical height is 156 mm from the axis. And width is 56 mm. Select top horizontal line and center axis is 156. Top horizontal line. This is 56 mm. Move this line inside the circle. Select trim command. Select unwanted lines. Exit workbench. Define part body. This pad length is 20 mm and this distance is 20 mm. Select pad command. Select sketch 5. Reverse direction. Total length is 40 mm. Select more command. Second limit is -20. Okay. Define sketch. Select plane 1. Position sketch. Okay. Now I am going to create this triangular feature with having dimension of 16 and 56 mm. Select project 3D elements. Project these edges. Select profile command. Create a triangle. Select this line. Right click. Object. Horizontal. And constrain this triangle. This length is 16 mm. Horizontal line in the horizontal axis. This length is 56 mm. Now trim unwanted lines. Select this horizontal line. Make this line as a construction line. Exit workbench. Define part body. Select sketch 6. Pad. Reverse direction. Pad length is 20 mm. Define part body. Select pad 2 and pad 3. The transformation feature. Select this mirror command. Yes. And select this vertical axis or vertical plane. Okay. Now I am going to create this feature. Hole diameter is 25 mm. Radius is 25 mm. And length is 88 mm. Define sketch. Insert another plane. Reference to center plane. Reverse direction. Length is 100 mm. Okay. Select plane 2. Position sketch. Reverse this horizontal direction. And OK. Select project 3D element command. Project this outer circle. Now hide part body. Select circle command. Create 2 circle from same point. This diameter is 50 and second diameter is 25 mm. Select horizontal axis on this circle point. This length is 88 mm. Select bi-tangent line. Select this circle and this circle. Circle and this circle. Again select bi-tangent line. Select the circles. Now trim unwanted lines. Exit workbench. Define part body. Its pad length is 50 mm. Sketch 9. Select pad command. Length is 50. Reverse direction. Okay. Now I am going to create this 14 mm diameter through hole. The vertical distance is 106 mm. Define part body. Select hole command and select this face. Position sketch. Select point and horizontal plane. This length is 106. Select point in vertical plane. Right click, coincidence, exit workbench. This diameter is 14 mm. Up to last, preview and OK. Now I am going to create this 12 mm radius in the both edges. Define part body. Select edge fillet. Select these edges. Radius is 12 mm. Preview and OK. Now I am going to create this feature. From the right side end to the center of the axis, it is 60 mm. And from the center to this edge is 20 mm. Define sketch. Select plane 2. Position sketch. Reverse horizontal direction. OK. Select project 3D element command. Project this edge. Now hide the part body. This feature is circular feature. So here is given 20 mm, radius is 20 and vertical distance is 63 mm. Select the rectangle, create a rectangle. Select vertical lines, right click, allow symmetry. Select vertical axis and this horizontal distance is 40 mm. And select bottom horizontal line and center axis. This is 63 mm. Select trim command, trim these unwanted lines. Select this center point and convert this point as construction. Exit workbench. Define part body. Select sketch 12. Select pad command. 60 plus 20 mm, it is 80 mm, and in the second limit it is minus 50. First limit is 80 mm. More, in the second limit it is minus 50. Reverse direction and OK. Define part body. Select edge fillet. Select this tri-tangent fillet. Faces to fillet. Select this faces and faces to remove and select this face. Review and OK. Select edge fillet. Select these edges. This radius is 12 mm. Review and OK. Edit this edge fillet to add these edges. OK. Also add this edge. Review. Okay. Now I am going to create this hole. Hole diameter is 16 mm and length is 60. Define part body. Select hole command. Select this face. Position sketch. Select point and this edge. This length is 60 mm. Select point and this plane. Right click. Coincidence. Exit workbench. Diameter is 16 mm. Select up to next. Review and OK. Define part body. Select edge fillet. And select this inner edges. This radius is 2.5 mm. Review and OK. Now hide all this plane. Our part design is completed. If you have any doubt, please comment in this video. We will see in the next video.